Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Begin by measuring precise ingredients. Use 3 1/2 cups bread flour, 1/2 cup sugar, 2 teaspoons salt, and 2 1/4 teaspoons active dry yeast. Warm 1/2 cup milk to 110 degrees F and mix with 2 large eggs and 4 tablespoons softened butter before combining with dry ingredients. Mix until a shaggy mass forms, then knead by hand or mixer with dough hook for about 8 minutes until smooth, elastic, and the dough registers roughly 75 degrees F and springs back slowly when lightly pressed. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and proof for 60 to 90 minutes in a warm 80 degrees F spot until doubled and airy. Punch down gently, roll dough to a 1/2 inch thickness on a floured surface, and cut doughnuts using a 3 1/2 inch outer cutter with a 1 inch hole cutter for centers. Arrange on parchment, cover lightly, and let shaped doughnuts final proof for 30 to 45 minutes until puffy but still holding shape. Avoid overproofing that collapses in oil. Heat vegetable oil in a heavy pot to 350 degrees F and maintain that temperature. Fry doughnuts carefully, 40 to 60 seconds per side, turning once, until deep golden brown and cooked through. Transfer to a rack over a sheet for 2 minutes to drain excess oil, then dip while warm into glaze or toss in sugar. Glazing while warm yields a shiny finish that sets quickly. For a basic glaze, whisk 2 cups powdered sugar with 4 tablespoons milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla, adjusting to desired thickness, then coat and cool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.